The University of Nairobi Faculty of Engineering has acquired new machinery from the Ministry of Roads and Transport through the facilitation of the World Bank.
We had had a long working relationship with the University of Nairobi on activities supported by the World Bank through the Ministry of Roads and Transport.
We have had state-of-the-art equipment, which is compact equipment, digital equipment, and very accurate equipment, and very easy to work with, as opposed to the original full scale.
The East African Regional Trade and Development Facilitation Project, EARTTDFP, under the Project Management Office and Project Finance from the World Bank, aims to create a sustainable and inclusive environment in making market-ripe exports.
From the sector perspective, it is very important to collaborate on three aspects. To have the industry-academia linkages so that we have students, or rather the academia, be able to learn from industry and also industry to impact on academia. We also have the aspect of research where the university is able to benefit from research based on the projects that are being implemented through the Ministry of Roads and Transport. And lastly, to be able to create very strong linkages, that is the forward and backward linkages, by making sure that the university is well equipped to churn out students who are well equipped, well skilled with modern technology and be able to fit into the industry out there.
With the new equipment in place, the faculty is at a desirable place for teaching.
With the new equipment, which are more efficient, can produce better results. We expect that even the numbers, enrollment is supposed to improve because people will know that the university has better equipment, modern equipment that can match equipment in universities in even developed countries.
The new tools will go a long way improving hands-on learning for civil engineering students.
New equipment has definitely improved the quality of our education. We are now able to do the practical side of civil engineering much better. It has also made our learning experience more interactive and more fun.
Moreover, as the future embraces artificial intelligence, the faculty is at a better level in adapting the evolving world of technology.
Talking about artificial intelligence, and as a faculty, we have this project where we want to go through each of those equipments and either gametize it or make videos and explanations of each of those, which can be saved in a depository for all students to be shared with all students, so that wherever they are, they're able to have an immersive feeling as if they are using it.
Reporting for UNCTV, my name is Moini Yvonne.
UNCTV, empowering you.